Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the cordless electric lawn mower foldable trimmer. This powerful tool comes with 8 accessories and is perfect for any garden pruning and cutting needs. Whether you're a professional landscaper or just looking to tidy up your backyard, this electric lawn mower has you covered. Any of the best features of this trimmer is its foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. Plus, it's adjustable, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. And the best part? It's compatible with Makita 18V batteries, giving you the freedom to work without the restrictions of a cord. Say goodbye to noisy, gas-powered lawn mowers and hello to a quieter, eco-friendly alternative. Not to mention, with its cordless design, you'll never have to worry about getting tangled up or limited by an extension cord again. But the benefits don't stop there. This cordless electric lawn mower foldable trimmer is perfect for anyone looking to save time and effort on their gardening tasks. The powerful cutting tools make quick work of any type of grass or vegetation, and the 8 included accessories allow you to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. So, why should you consider purchasing this trimmer? Not only does it make gardening tasks more manageable and efficient, but it also offers the freedom and flexibility that corded tools simply can't match. Plus, with its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, you can easily swap out and recharge batteries for continuous use. If you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the cordless electric lawn mower foldable trimmer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you in the next review.